Okay, good day everyone. This is for people that want to activate their UBA mobile banking app. First of all, what you do is you get your mobile phone, your Android phone, you on the data, you go to Play Store. Like you can see mine, click on Play Store, go to Play Store, you type UBA mobile banking app. As you can see mine displaying, you click on it. After clicking on it, you see the picture of a lady wearing red long sleeve and fine lady smiling with a black jacket. You download that app. After downloading the very app, you'll install it. After installing it, you go to where the app is installed. You click on the app. When you click on the app, you allow the app to open. After allowing the app to open, you make sure you have your ATM card handy with you. You go to down of the app. When you open the app, you see sign up bottom right down. You click on it. When you click on it, you see debit card, the first one. You click on debit card because you're activating with your ATM card. When you click on it to open, then you see where you have account number. You put your account number. Where you see your first digit of your ATM card, first 6 digits. If you look at your ATM card, on top of the card you see numbers on top of it. So you pick the first 6 from your left. You count 1 2 3 4 5 6. You pick the first 6 numbers. Then you come here, the last 4. You pick your last 4. After that one, you pick the last 4 numbers. You count 1 2 3 4 to the last, to the right end, to the end, to the bottom. You pick the last 4. Then come here. You see your PIN. You put your secret PIN number which you collected from the bank. You put the PIN. After here, you come here, you see referral ID, which is optional. You leave that one. Then you come here, then you click on validate. When you click on validate, it will take you to step 2. You see this red that's highlighted number 1. You now change. You do now move to number 2, highlighted red. That means you've entered step 2. When you enter step 2, it's going to show your name, your full name, and your account name and the account number. Under it is going to show you you're going to see something like expiry year and expiry month. If you look at your ATM card, you see something like 09/21. Under those numbers, that is the month and the year. The first 2 numbers means the expiry month, while the last 2 numbers means the expiry year. For example, you have 09/24. What it means is that 09 means September, then the 24 means 2024. That's when the year is going to expire. September 2024, that is the year is going to expire. So when you put that, you click on validate. It's going to take you to step 3, where you're going to see where you're going to put your PIN 2 times. You put the first one, you confirm the second one, then that's the secret PIN. Then under it, you're going to see where you ask you for your create a password. You create a password using you can use your 6 letters, 2 numbers. For example, this is my own example. Chioma 77. Chioma is 6 letters, then 2 numbers. Make sure they add everything together. Don't give a space. 77. Then you confirm it again. You put. You can use your name. You can use anything that's 6 letters or more than that. You add 2 numbers to it. When you put it, then after you to confirm it, you make it 2 times. You put the same thing under, confirm it. Then you click on start using mobile. When you click on start using mobile, the app will start booting. So when you allow it to boot, when the boot is to open, it will show you the lady smiling, a picture of a lady smiling, a fine lady wearing the same red and red long sleeve and black jacket. You tap on that lady's picture, it's going to open. When it opens, it's going to show you your name and your account balance on top. Then you see other features like send money, which you're going to click to send money to other banks or to UBA banks. Then you have where you have a buy airtime, call history, which you can use to check your what happening in your account, your standard of account for last month or how many past 6 months or 1 year. So a lot of things you can play around it and see a lot of features which you can benefit. You can also see where you can also recharge for your card, recharge your airtime, and also your GoTV, your DSTV, and other features. Thank you very much.